Hey, I hope everybody's having a great day. It's Ron Newsbaum. I'm the founder of BuilderComs, and today I'm going to show you how to change your plan, upgrade your plan, downgrade your plan, cancel your plan, do everything within the subscription. So what we're going to do is we jump over here under the icon where the My Profile company users subscription is right there. Click on that. This allows you to come in here, has all your payment information, what you paid, invoicing, any of that, and then you can update your plan. So you can do it from right here, and you can also cancel your plan right here. So remember that when you go in to add projects, it automatically will let you know that you need to upgrade to the unlimited plan. If you're on an unlimited plan, you can come in and downgrade off of that. But like I said, leave it how it is. So right in here is where you do all of that. So once again, when you come into your account, go into subscriptions. And I have to click the button. And from in here, you can cancel, update your plan, update your payment method, do all of that kind of stuff. It is super, super easy. If you have any questions, concerns, or anything, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Team@buildercoms.com. I am here to help. You can also go to buildercoms.com and go on our contact us page. Let us know what's happening. What do you need assistance with? And then I am here to help. Have a great day.